In today's Technical Corner, I'm joined by Richard Floyd, who's Managing Director of Floyd Automatic Tooling. Richard, you guys are the sliding head specialist, and this is obviously off a sliding head, but can you tell us a little more?
Sure, good morning. This is the HEB quick release, quick change coolant feed system for principally using it for the through coolant tool system. The main objective of this is to remove all the confusion that you often have by using coolant pipes, copper pipes, spanners, and your hands are flying around inside the machine there trying to get these pipes off in as short a time space as possible, often damaging your hands, which is not a good idea. These particular products are designed to take a very high pressure coolant through the tools on a quick release version like this.
Just quickly looking at it, obviously this is like a traditional pipe that's used on a sliding head. Just looking at it, why wouldn't everybody buy this? Because it just seems like a no-brainer. I haven't even touched it yet really, but it's quick release. We're all familiar with quick release systems. But why wouldn't everybody buy this?
Well, you're absolutely right. And we would ask a very simple question. Because one of the principal concerns that any production manager has is downtime. Downtime trying to connect through coolant tool systems or high pressure feeds to the front of tools takes time. The quicker you can do that, the more time you have in production. So the answer is, why aren't they?
So there's obviously a video running in the background, and that's they're doing the two different setups. What is the saving typically for if it's a complete setup of whole new tools?
Well, if we was to look through the video completely, you would see that it takes a considerable amount of time to change all the pipes. But it's something like only about 10 or 15% of the time taken, because it is literally that quick. And all you then do is remove the tool from here, change your insert, put it back in again, and you're back in again.
And this is for sliding head lathes or fixed head also?
Well, any machine really that requires any form of through coolant feed, but not only through coolant, it can also be used for flood, which is what we were showing here. This is a preset tool that's been used for convenience. Any fixed head, sliding head, anything where you need a high pressure coolant feed.
So you could almost go for a hybrid, part of the old traditional standard style rather, and the other half you could go to the quick release. I don't know why you would, in truth. I don't know why you wouldn't go the whole hog, but
well,
it's so
indeed, there are obviously machines that have different arrangements. This comes with a complete range of standard kits, depending on what you require for different machines. We actually prepare them for different machines, for Citizen, Tornos, Star, etc. However, you can buy bespoke lengths. We've done bespoke connections to make them work for a particular arrangement, so they can benefit from the quick change capability.
Yeah, no, for sure. And if I've got a sliding head lathe, do I simply give you the model and you know the configuration you require?
We will do our best. Obviously, we work very closely with all the major sliding head manufacturers. Clearly, a quick phone call if we're not sure about something, and I'm sure we'll be able to put something together for you. The product is growing in its sales, and I think the key is the ability to connect to through coolant tools. Previously, we've seen different type of cooling applications put onto the machines, whereby you can provide a jet from maybe a coolant wedge or from other connectors. Now, they don't need to do that so much now. Now, all these tools have high pressure feeds, often through the insert. This is the Apitech jet line. So this simple connection makes it very easy.
So Richard, you mentioned high pressure coolant. How high?
Well, this system is capable of going up to 200 bar. Clearly that is very high. However, different high pressure pump systems do provide initially a high pressure, which can reduce as it moves towards the tip. The important thing is many users have through coolant tools, particularly on drills. Small diameter drills where they require high pressure, this is where it comes into its own, because they can apply that pressure through the system.
So finally, people watching this program, how do they find out more?
Well, they contact us at Floyd Automatic Tooling on floydautomatic.co.uk, and we have a phone number 01462 491919.
Many thanks, Richard.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.